Hi, welcome to demo video of Sentinel Pub software which is used in pubs, bar and cafe. This is the login screen. You can create multiple user account for your staff members, and you can either log in by tapping the password and press login, or if you want you can purchase a separate device called RFID reader, which is around 80 to 120 pound, and you can attach it with every EPOS system, and then rather than tapping in the password, you just use the fob keys to touch and log in the staff members. So once login, you will see all your categories on the top, and you can see it, or you can change the button color whatever you like. You can even put the pictures on the button. For example, on WKD, maybe you can put the WKD logo or bottle picture. So all your categories are on your top, and then once you click on the category, it will go to the card. If the category got any, if the product got any options, it will ask for the options as well. For example, if in wines, or if I go to spirits, like say JD, so Dash Coke, or you want mineral or juice or Red Bull, or just only the JD, you can, and it will charge separate for the option if there is any extras you charge for the. For example, for if I charge for Smirnoff Dash Coke, it will charge extra price for the Dash Coke as well, which is £1 in this scenario. So once you're happy with the order, you can press finish. On finish, it will ask you if you want to send the print to the kitchen as well. If there's any food item, it will go to the kitchen printer. If there's no food item, even if you tick here, it will send nothing on the kitchen. You can, £28.85 is the total. If customer is paying £50 node and is paying by cash, you can take the payment by cash, or you can take the payment by credit card as well. For credit card, this EPOS software is integrated with Payment Sense card machine. That means when you finish the credit card order, you don't have to tap in the amount to the credit card machine. The 28.85 total sale value goes straight to the credit card machine, and you can simply finish the order. If you are not using Payment Sense, we offer to buy your old contract. Let's say if you are using WorldPay and you are still with contract in with them, we will pay any penalty WorldPay impose on you for canceling the contract early, and we will buy the contract, and you can use the Payment Sense, which is at the moment cheapest in the market. So whatever your previous existing terminal credit card provider is offering you, we will either match the rates, or we will give you the lower rates for the transaction and for the monthly fees as well. Sometimes we even do free monthly, so no monthly rental, just zero monthly, and just the transaction on the card payment as well. So if you are interested in buying the card machine as well, then message me and we will call you and discuss the prices. So to finish the order, if the customer is paying £50 node, you press cash, let's say, and it will show you the change screen. If you are using dual screen EPOS system, this screen will appear on the second screen as well, and it will bring you back to the main screen. If you're using same EPOS system for multiple staff member and you want the EPOS system to log out every time you finish the order, you can do that by going into the manager, enter the manager password, and then go to the configuration and tick here log out and press save. Now once I finish the order, let's say I take another order and this time I'm paying by credit card, as soon as this change screen disappear, the software will log out, so the second staff member can log in using their logins and take the order as well. If somebody is taking the order and the order is still not finished, and if second customer, for example, if you see on the top it says J, so J is the current user which is taking this order, £14.40, but the customer is still not finished ordering, and meanwhile if the second staff member want to take a order, they can just simply press log off, and they can log in using their login, and they can continue with their order. And once they finish the order, Jay can always log in using his credential, and then he can easily resume the order from here as well. So it's very easy to use software. You can see the order list by going to the order list. You can see the order list, all the order lists. You can cancel any order, you can open any order, you can reprint any order, you can see order by date wise as well. You can search any order by order number. For example, if you're searching for order number 2361, you can search any order. It will show you the orders as well. So you can use it for clock in, clock out to calculate the number of hours your staff is working. No sale is if you want to open cash drawer without any sale, but if somebody press no sale button and open the cash drawer, the software will record date, time, and who opened the cash drawer. So at the end of the shift, the manager or owner knows who opened the cash drawer without sale and how many times they opened the cash drawer as well. In the instructions, if you're refusing drink because of no ID or because of aggressive behavior or drug use, you can click on refusal drink and it will print a small receipt with date and time stamp telling you the reason why you refuse the drink, and you can keep it safe in your cash drawer for your record. So later, if somebody asks why you refused the drink or did you give him the drink without any ID, you can always have a record of all the refusal as well. You can split the payment time as well. So if somebody is paying half cash, for example, total amount is £12.50, customer is paying £6 cash and £6.50 by credit card, you can do the split payment as well. To see the end of the day sales, you need to go to the manager, enter the manager password, log in, and then you need to go to end of the day reports. End of the day report is show you for sale by category, so all the sale by category. Since if you want to see the whole list of product you sell, you can see the sale by product, how many you sold. If you want to see the sales by user, you can see the sales by user. If you want to see sales by credit card or cash like payment method, you can see the sale by payment method. If you want to see all refunds, discount given, how many times cash draw is open, stock, how much stock you sold today, and what's the value of the stock you sold, and then user timesheet is if your staff is using it to clock in and clock out, you can see how many numbers of hours they worked today, etc. In X-Report, I will show you on the screen how the X-Report will look like. So once you press the X-Report, it will show you cash sale, credit card sale, total sale, then total VAT sale. So for all the product, alcoholic product, you can see the sale different. Or if you are selling something which is dry like food or anything, you can see the dry sale separate as well. And then you can see by category and who printed, what time they printed, and everything on the X-Report as well. So if I take any order which is like food order, let me take some dry sale order so I can show you. So now there is some dry sale. I'll log in again and I'll go to end of the day report. And I'm printing X-Report. Now it's showing you the wet sale as well and dry sale as well, £78.15 on the top as well. So you can see how much is the wet sale and what's the dry sale as well. As soon as you press the Z report, so once I press the Z report, for example, Z report is end of the day report. So now I press the Z report, and now if I press Z report again, it will show 0 because there's no figure. It's reset the sale figures. But in case after 3 months, if you want to see sale figure again for, you can always use this print button to see all the sale figures and everything. So for example, if you want to see the sales figure, you can press print and it will show you the cash sale and credit card sale from 3rd March to 4th March, all the figures as well. If you press print all, it will show you all the information during this period from 3rd March to 4th March. So whatever date you choose from top, it will give you the exact figures, and you can always use the print all button to see the Z2 report as well. From the users, you can create multiple user accounts. You can give them rights, like if they are admin or normal user, you can give them a key fob ID as well. If you're using key fob, you can create all your tables here. For example, you've got tables and everything. To take a table order is very easy. Once you're taking the order, you go to the eat-in and then you choose which table customer is going to sit, for example, table number 1, and then you finish, and it finished the order and it prints out. Later you go to eat in, it shows you table number 1 is consumed. You press on the table, it shows you what is the order. If customer want to move the table, you can move the table as well. You can add like you can change the table, you can add more food, or if the customer is ready to pay, you can go to the payment and then finish. Customer is paying by credit card, you press credit card and it will finish the order, print the final invoice. So I'll show you how the invoice will look like. uh, print the final invoice, and now the table number 2, 1 or 2 is free. So if I go now, see the table is again green because it's free. So again, table number 5 is customer is paying. You can go to the finish, and then you can do cash, save. So table number 6 is free as well now. So if I go and see there, all the tables are now free because they've paid the bill. Again, if you just quickly want to finish the order, you can press quick print, and you can tell the software if it's cash or card, and it will allows you to quickly finish the transaction as well, rather than going to the whole procedure of the finish screen and selecting all the tick. You can make offers as well, like Sunday offer, Monday offer, shop information. You can write all your shop information, subcategories. If you want to link anything with any dressing topping screen, like any special request like no mayo, no lettuce, or extra salad, or no ice, you can make your optional screen as well. So this software is going to integrate with the online sales as well. So you can see the online sales. I'll show you how the online sales will look like. So online sales, we will give you a username password where you can log in to the online sales even using your mobile phone, and you can see from here all the orders and everything in the same page as well. So if you go and if you want to see the online sale, you can see the week sale, today's sale, you can see the order list, how many orders you delivered, you can cancel any order from here. You can see all the statistics online by going to our website epost.sentinelepos.co.uk/public, and then we will assign you a username and password. But for this feature, to use this feature, you need to pay £10 plus VAT every month, and we will provide you this facility as well. So if you're going online sale, you can actually open any order like and see what's inside the order, what time it's finished. You can cancel order, or you can make it ready, and you can see all the figures, and you can export it to Excel or email it to your accountant as well. You can see all the list of your products from your online order as well, and you can change your product prices, everything from online admin panel as well, or you can always do it from software as well. So to change the prices from the software, it's like, let's say this is Spitfire, you want to change the price. The Spitfire belongs to the category called Alice. So you just go to the manager, enter manager password, go to products, write the category name, and then click on Spitfire, edit product, change the price, whatever price you want, for example 3.95, and press save. The price is changed now. So it's very easy, very user friendly. We will send you a complete video manual, so, and we will give you full training, and we give you first few months free support as well. If you want to give discount, you can go to the discount. You can give discount in percentage, or you can give discount in amount as well. For example, it's £32 to 10 pence. You can, if you want to give discount in amount, £2 10 pence, you can apply, and the discount will apply as well on a final bill. Let me know if there is anything else you need regarding the system. We do single screen system as well, and we do double screen system as well. So single screen system, I'll show you a few pictures. Just bear with me, and I'll show you how our systems look like. Okay, so these are the single screen systems. So on the single screen system, there's only one screen for you to take order. There's no screen on the back for customer to see prices, etc. So this is how the single screen system will look like. And if you're looking to buy a double screen system, we got dual screen system as well, where there are two screen, one for you to take order, and then second screen for the customer to see the prices, or you can show the promotion as well. So if you want to buy a double screen, the double screen system will look like this one. We got various models, so you can buy a model like this as well, or if you don't like this model, we have many others, other model as well. I'll show you few pictures. So double screen, you have quite few options. Yeah, so on double screen you can buy this model as well, with two screen, one on the front and one on the back, and this, or this one. in silver color. So it's quite few options, and all the prices are different. So once you make up your mind, let me know which model you want, and then I'll give you a right price. I'll give you some discount, and I'll give you the correct price for the relevant model. Thank you very much. Bye bye.